Vid Connect is a WordPress plugin that adds keyword-targeted video and integrate it with unique, actionable call-to-action element.
There are 4 VidConnect administrator page, including main settings, social network settings for social network ad overlay type, snippets for custom HTML, and statistic page contains video impressions and click-through rate.
It's easy to start use Vid Connect. Add new posts. Scroll to bottom and you'll find VidConnect search box. Enter your keyword to find video. Click Video Overlay button to choose and configure the ad overlay. There are 4 types of ad overlay: CTA button, social links, custom HTML, and custom banner image.
Set start and end times for the video overlay. Example number 2, social links overlay. Fill heading in text message. Configure social icon style. Example number 3, custom HTML video overlay. Go to Custom HTML tab. Set start and end times for the video overlay. Before using custom HTML, please go to Snippets menu under VidConnect main menu. Add your custom HTML, then publish. copy the snippet ID. Go to your video overlay setting on Custom HTML tab. Paste the snippet ID. You can make snippets as much as you want. Just look at desired created snippet. Copy the snippet ID and paste to the snippet ID field when you create custom HTML overlay. Example number 4, custom banner. Go to Banner tab.